This tutorial relates to the addition of the auxiliary power connector on the Prestige Static Grass applicator. In part 1, we assembled the box and it's ready to go. But in part 1, we did not add this extra power receptacle. We will do that now. This again is what we're going to do. You can see the arrow. All you really have to do is stick that in and screw it in place after you wire it. So, first thing, when you have your box, you'll see the hole. Go ahead and stick this little receptacle in that hole. But first, there's some preparation work we have to do. When powering your StaticGrass applicator, polarity is very important. And in this case, we're going to be connecting this auxiliary connector to the regular inputs. So what we have to do is check the polarity, measure it, so we know which is positive, which is negative. If we don't hook it up correctly, we burn the unit out. So now, once we know the polarity, add a couple wires with some clips. Crimp them on. Cut a piece of red wire and a piece of black wire and make them long enough that you can connect from the receptacle to the top of the box easily. You can simply slip the wire through the small holes in the receptacle or solder them on. In either case, add the shrink tube to hold them in place and to insulate them. Now it's just a matter of flipping the top over and inserting everything in the box. You can attach the top with glue later. Right now, either tape it closed, use blue tack. You want to go ahead and test your unit before you make any permanent closures. Don't do any continuity checks or anything else. There is a test procedure and a link below that you should use. Follow that procedure only. If it doesn't work, following that procedure, contact us immediately. To use the unit, add a vegetable or tea strainer on the one end, a ground wire, and then you can power using either one of the power inputs, either using the banana clips or using the barrel clip. All the generators have been hand tested before being shipped out, so you should have an operating StaticGrass applicator now. If you have any questions, contact us. And what you see in the end screen here are links to a couple other sets of videos that show you how to most effectively use this StaticGrass applicator as a flock box or just to add grass to your layout. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Please comment. Please subscribe. Have a good life.